Okay, guys, just out of curiosity, I'm going to show you this daft robot that ChatGPT made. All I did was I said, make me a basic strategy that'll make money. And it came up with this stupid thing. And anyway, this is it running now. Actually, I want to show you something as well. The trade that I did on GBJPY, when I measured it out, I was right to target that area. It stalled bang on it. Your homework is everything, kids. So watch the video of the breakdown of why I did it, and then the actual trade is coming in as well. That'll be in a little bit later. It's on sort of rendering now. Target into levels. So like what I was saying earlier on, target in. The trade setup was actually a 5 candle count back from there and 14 pips up into that. So that was as simple as it got. Targeted 15 pips. Anyway, cut long story short. But let's flick this back up. Now this is that daft robot. Now it has been rattling away and it's done 4 grand since last night. And it's only at £1 a position. It's got a stop loss of 30, take profit of 10, and what it's attempting to do is it opens multiple trades if the candles close on one side of the moving average, from what I understand, because I asked the thing, what the hell are you playing at? Because I didn't read the code, I don't understand it. It's currently got a shitload of trades running here. It's underwater. But this is what happened yesterday. It just started bouncing these things out. Now, if I find chat and tell it to explain itself, give us a second. Here it is here. I was having a conversation with the southern thing. And I asked it, what the hell are you doing? You know, you've made this thing. I don't know what it is. So please tell me. And it's a simple 5-minute USD trading strategy based on following criteria. So it looks at 5-minute candles. And if the candle opens and it's below the 20, it'll buy for some obscure reason. I really don't get it. And the seller's below 30. So it's doing a game of opposites. And then if it's above the 20, and it's above the 70, it's going to set. I just don't fucking get this thing at all. So it's below 20 period moving average. And it is, and the closing price is, I don't fucking know. It looks like it's reversal of the mean by the look of it. And then its stop is 30, its take profit is 10, and it's just firing them out like a machine gun. It is as bizarre as it gets. And then it just rattled down and then gave me this code, and that's what it had. Lot size calculator and defined risk, and it's not to exceed at 1% of the balance. So I can kind of get what it's attempting to do, of sorts. So the closing price of the previous candle is below the 20 period moving average. And the closing price of the current candle crosses the 20 period moving average, and the relative strength is below. All right, I'm with it. Yeah, it's looking for a price cross of the moving average. So I got that wrong. I should actually read it, really, shouldn't I? So yeah, it's a price cross of the 20 period moving average, assuming that a standard RSI is below 30, and it'll buy it, and then it'll hold it for 10 pips. And then restart the process. And that's why it's going at it like a machine gun. It's actually quite a very simple and clever way of doing things. Then it's come down into the risk management. And it's decided on a defined risk percentage of account balance. And that means it won't exceed any more than 1,000. So it's actually controlling itself as it goes. And its results is quite odd, really. So wow, well, it's 500 quid underwater now, but it's made 4 grand. So even if I pulled the plug on it now, wouldn't really matter. Do I think this will work in the long term? Probably not. What it's actually doing by the looks of this is catching the volatility. It's catching these moves, or attempting to catch these moves, and it's getting in and out relatively quick. So there we are. It's like 700 quid underwater now. I left it running because I wanted to see basically what this will do. It had a 10,000 starting balance. It's a paper account, so I don't give a fuck about it. But it's run it up to 14,000 in a couple of days because I only did this yesterday. So I don't know. I'll have to play. Little experiment for myself. Because I couldn't get any robots to work, but I finally got this one to work. Woohoo! Amazing. So anybody got any advances on this? Please let me know. Not that I'm an algo trader. I probably never will be. But I'm just curious. Anyway, guys, catch you in a bit.